Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will talk about SSL configuration. First we will install the OpenSSL from the source. To do so you will go to this link over here, www.openssl.org/source, and you will choose the first link over here, right click on it and then click on copy link address. You'll get back to the shell, and the next step will be going to this directory /user/src and enter. And from here you will type the command wget and you will paste the link and enter. It will now start downloading. So I'll pause the video until it downloads. Okay, now it has downloaded the OpenSSL. The next step will be extracting the file. You will type tar and then -zxvf. Then you will type OpenSSL-1.0.1g, then .tar.jz, and then you will press on enter. You can see now it has extracted the file. Now change your current directory and go to OpenSSL-1.0.1g and press on enter. Now go to to start the configuration of the OpenSSL, you will type / and then config and then enter. Now it has configured the OpenSSL. The next step will be typing the command make. You will type make and then enter. Okay, now here it seems that I don't have the GCC compiler installed, so I will install it by yum install gcc and enter. It's now downloading and installing the GCC compiler, and I'll pause until it finishes. Okay, when you reach to this point over here, you will press on Y and enter. And now it will start downloading the packages. Okay, now it has installed and downloaded the packages for the GCC. You can see here that this is the package installed and here is its dependencies installed. Okay, now I will type the command make, and the command make is related to the OpenSSL. So now we are continuing the OpenSSL configuration. The GCC compiler came in the middle, but in normal case you will type the make command directly after the .config command, but here we installed the GCC compiler because I didn't have it. So now the command make is related to the OpenSSL. I will press on enter, and this process also may take some time, so I'll pause the video until it finishes. Okay, now after the command make, now you will type another command and it will be make install, and that's to install the OpenSSL, and press enter. It will now start the installation of the OpenSSL. Okay, now it has installed the OpenSSL, and I would like to say sorry about that I'm pausing the video each time, but because some of these installations take a little bit of time, for example 5 minutes or 8 minutes. So now let's make a directory. I'll type mkdir and then /etc/httpd/ssl. And of course this path here, this directory that we are making, the SSL, you will make this directory SSL because on it you will generate the SSL certificate. Or to be more clearly, in this directory we will store the certificates that we will generate. I'll press on enter. Now we have made the directory. Okay, now I will type a command and then I will explain. It will be a little bit long command. OpenSSL and then req -x 509 and then -nodes -days 365 -new key RSA 2.2048, and I will add here a backslash so that it means that I'm continuing all of the command. So I'll press enter. Okay, I'll press on Control C. Sorry for this mistake. I'll type the command one more time. And this will be the completion of the command, key out. So now I'm typing this line, and the line under it is all one command. And then /etc/httpd/apache.key and then -out /etc/httpd/ssl and then /apache.crt, and this command to create a self-signed certificate. Okay, now here in this command, this means that the OpenSSL certificate will be valid for 365 days or a year. And here is the new key, which means that it will generate a new key. And this is the method of the encryption, RSA2048. And here it's telling me that it will store the key out in this path over here, in this file, apache.key. And it will store the certificate in apache.crt in this path over here. And I'll press enter. Okay, here seems that I have made a mistake in the command, so I can see that the mistake is over here. It's there's no space over here. Okay, now I'll press enter, and the command has worked with me. Okay, here in the country name you will enter the first two letters of your country. So here I am in Egypt, so I'll type EG and enter. Here the state of the province, you will type the state that you are in. Here I'll type Cairo. And here the locality name or the city, and here it's Cairo 2. And here's the organization name. I'll type example. And the organizational unit name. Here I don't have a unit name, so I'll press on enter. Here the common name will be the name of the server's host name, so you type example.com, or of course you will type whatever name you want. And here of course I have typed example.com because on example.com will be applied the SSL certificate. Press enter, and here the email address, you will type your email. For example, here I'll type admin@example.com and enter. Okay, now the OpenSSL has been configured successfully. Clear the page. Okay, now let's change the directory to the directory where we have stored the certificate files. I'll type cd/etc/httpd/ssl and enter, and ls. And here are the two files, the apache.crt and the apache.key. Now the next step will be installing the SSL module in the Apache. You will type yum install mod_SSL and enter. It will now start the installation of the mod. You will press on Y to continue and enter. It will now start downloading the packages. You can see now that the package is successfully installed. Now by default you will find the SSL configuration file under conf.d directory. So let's edit it. I'll go to the conf.d directory to the SSL conf. So I'll type /etc/httpd/conf.d/ssl.conf and enter. Okay, first of all, as you see here, the load module. So this line over here is telling the Apache to load the SSL module from modules/mod_ssl.so. We'll get down over here a little bit. You can see here that listen 443. This means that it is listening to port 443, so we need to allow access to port 443 from the IP tables. Press Ctrl X to get out. Now I will get to the IP tables file /etc/sysconfig/IP tables and enter. Okay, now here from the IP tables file you will get down to this line over here and you will copy it. Now you will get down over here and you will change this number from 8080 to 443, and that is allowing it to listen to port 443. And to save, of course, you'll press on Ctrl X, Y, and then enter. Now I will restart the IP tables service. I'll type service IP tables restart and enter. Okay, now after we have allowed the port 443 in the IP tables, the next step will be editing the ssl.conf file to add a virtual host for example.com, which is the website that we want to apply the OpenSSL certificate on. So we'll type nano/etc/httpd/conf.d and then /ssl.conf and enter. From here you will press in Ctrl W and you will search for SSL virtual host and press enter. Okay, so from here you will make the name virtual host, so you will get to this line right on top of the virtual host and you will add a line by the name, then virtual, and then host, and then star sign, and then 2.443, and this is to allow the name virtual host. Now down here, and now I'll get to the second line. and I will remove this word default, and instead of it I will add a star sign, and I'll get over here and remove this dash, so it will look like that, virtual host, and then the star sign, and then 443. The next thing here is the document root. First of all, you will remove the hash, and you will get here from var www.html. Here you will add slash and then example.com, which is the directory of the website example.com. And here the last is the server name. You remove the hash sign, and here we have the name www.example.com and the port 443. So this will be the first step to make a name virtual host. The second step is that you will search for something called SSL cert and press enter. First of all, you will see this one, SSL certificate file /etc/ and this path over here. You will remove this path, and you will add the path for the Apache, for the SSL certificate. So you will type etc/httpd/ssl/apache.crt. So here next to SSL certificate file, we have added the path to the SSL certificate. The second one is over here, the SSL certificate key file. You will add the path of the key file, so you remove this path over here, and here httpd and then /ssl and then /apache.key. So now we have added the path for the certificate and the path for the key of the OpenSSL. And now we'll press Ctrl X and then Y to save the file, and then enter, and then restart the Apache service httpd restart and enter. Now we will try it in the browser. I will open the browser, and in here I will type https and then 2 dots, 2 slashes, and the website example.com and enter. Of course, this message is normal, that you can see the site security certificate is not trusted, because this is a self-signed certificate. We did not get the certificate from somewhere else or some trusted company. I'll get this to be a little bit smaller so that you can see what you will press. You will click here on proceed anyway, and you can see over here that it has opened your web browser example.com. And of course, because this is a self-signed certificate, you will find this sign over here, the red sign and the red cross on the HTTPS. And by this lesson we have seen the SSL configuration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.